To start recording in Blaze, you first need to activate a license. First, go to the Licenses menu in Settings, then click the Add License Key button. Enter the license key you received upon purchase. If your system is connected to the internet, select Online Activation and click Next. Once a permanent license is activated, the existing onboarding license will be automatically deactivated. If your system is not connected to the internet, select Offline Activation and click Next. You can manually get an activation code by scanning the QR code or copying the URL that appears on the screen. Enter the activation code to register your license. In the Licenses list, you can manage your licenses by right-clicking. From View License History, you can see the license type and its validity period. Select Extend License Key and add a license upgrade key to extend the support period. Deactivate License Key removes the license from the list. This is useful when you need to transfer a license to another server. Now let's assign a license to a device. Select your desired device from the Devices list and click the Recording tab. When you hover your mouse over the Use License toggle button, you can see the number of licenses needed and the quantity available. Select Use License to immediately configure your recording settings. Assign licenses and configure recording settings for all the devices you need to record.